The night sound navigator is a street musician who claims city alleys sing different futures, and they listen to predict paths. Through years of practice, they learn to translate hums, clanks, and distant sirens into a personalized map that helps strangers find safe routes. When a sudden blackout blanketed their district, the navigator guided a frightened crowd by following the residual echoes of footsteps. The talent faced skepticism and danger from authorities who feared chaos, yet neighbors learned trust as the navigator redirected panic into calm. Ultimately, the performer turned peril into resilience, proving extraordinary abilities illuminate nights.